If you're experiencing issues with the installation loop in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to help resolve the problem. This guide will walk you through troubleshooting and improving your installation process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. If your system falls short, consider upgrading your hardware. Step 2. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam or GOG, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help resolve installation issues. Step 3. Disable antivirus/firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they may interfere with the installation process. After disabling, try reinstalling the game. Remember to re-enable your security software once the installation is complete. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the game launcher or installation file and select Run as Administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider completely uninstalling Cyberpunk 2077 and then reinstalling it. Make sure to back up any save files if necessary and download the latest version from your game library. By following these steps, you should be able to improve the installation process of Cyberpunk 2077. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.